How to change only home screen wallpaper on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change only your home screen wallpaper on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes what happens is that your iOS is going to set both your lock screen and your home screen wallpaper as a pair, but we want to set this as a same wallpaper. We want to only change it for home screen and not our lock screen. So we want our lock screen to be as it is, but when we unlock it we want to have a different wallpaper here. So to do this, all you have to do is just long press on your lock screen or your notifications panel and then just tap on customize. And now here you can see lock screen and you can see home screen. So you can select home screen and here you can find the option called photos from the bottom. So when you tap on photos, you can select a photo that you want on your home screen and then tap the done option. Once done, again tap on done, and now you can just go ahead and set this. Next time when you open it up, you can see my lock screen is basically different and my home screen is also different. And this way you should be able to change only home screen wallpaper on iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.